This is ATI Everything, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the ATI Radeon 5770 into your Mac Pro. Let's get started. Now in this video I'm going to be upgrading my Mac Pro, which is a 2007 Mac Pro, also known as the Mac Pro 1.1. The specs of my Mac Pro are two 2 GHz dual-core Intel Xeons, so 4 cores in total. It has 4 GB of DDR2 RAM, and it has the NVIDIA 7300 GT. Now all these specs are very good. There's only one bad part, the graphics card. The graphics card's crap, so in this video I'm going to upgrade it. Now the first step is update your Mac to 10.6.7. If you're using the original Mac Pro 2006/2007, because you have to be on 10.6.7 to take full advantage of this graphics card. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the upgrade process. So my Mac Pro is laying down on the floor. Let's go ahead and get into the upgrade. So obviously you're going to want to have all your crap unplugged, which is pretty obvious. And then you're going to have to slide open the latch, take off the door, put that off to the side. All this stuff's pretty obvious for Mac Pro users out there. And then what we're going to want to do is take out the old graphics card. Now I'm sorry if you can't see it very well, but basically what we're going to do now is take out the old graphics card. To do this you have to take out these 2 screws. So let's go ahead and take out those screws. Just use a standard Phillips screwdriver. So let's take this out. First screw is loose. Second screw is loose. Then this bracket should just come right off. Put that off to the side. And then what you want to do is pull out your old graphics card. So it should just slide out. Not expecting this to be too difficult at all. And pull up. Just get a hold of it. Pull out, and up we go. So here we have it. This is the NVIDIA GeForce, I think. Yeah, NVIDIA GeForce 7300 GT. Pretty crappy graphics card, 256 megs of RAM. This is going to be a huge upgrade. Let's compare the 2 cards. So for comparison's purpose, this is the 7300 GT, this is the ATI Radeon 5770. It even has a handle. Yeah, so there you go. This has 2 DVIs, this has 1 dual-link DVI and 2 mini display. So it can take 3 monitors, this can take 2. And you can buy adapters, so that's fine, this will work with any monitor. And the Apple Cinema display. Next, what you're going to want to do is install this power cable that came with your graphics card. You'll notice it has 2 ends. A more fat sort of end and a skinny small end. This goes into the Mac Pro itself, and I'll show you where it goes. And this goes into the graphics card. And by the way, you're going to need a torch for this part, as you can't see it literally without a torch. So let's go ahead and give you a close-up of where this needs to be installed. So shine your torch in, get your little skinny part, and just line it up with these 2 connectors here. When you've got it in person, you'll know exactly what it is. So we just line this up, put this in a hole. Yes. And finally, it is in. It's right in there. That took like 5 minutes at least. We're just going to give it a push and you're done. So now it's time to put the main attraction in the graphics card. Let's connect the power. So the power just goes in here. So you just plug the other end of that cord in here. Line it up. And it clicks right in, as you just heard. This graphics card takes 2 PCI slots. It's double length, because it's so beastly. So you have to take this out from the PCI slot just above where you're going to put in your graphics card. So time for the sliding in of the graphics card. Dum 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 dum. Dear Lord. Alright. So that was scary. As you saw, it just dropped in. So that was certainly an interesting experience. And then you just push it all into place. The screws are in place. Time to click the door back on. Click the lever in. Pick up the Mac Pro. And just before we turn on my Mac, here you can see the graphics card. It takes up 2 slots, so the top is for air ventilation. And the bottom has your ports. So it's a dual link DVI port and 2 mini display ports. This can take up to 3 monitors, which is great, as my old video card could take 2. I probably won't use 3 monitors, but it's good to know that you have the option. So yeah, and I still have 2 free PCI slots, so I can put whatever the hell I want in that. Now, enough talking, time to turn it on. We have a bong, that is always a good sound. And there we go, the computer is up and running. Very nice. Let's go ahead and hop over into System Profiler. And we'll see how this graphics card is going. So there you go, as you can see it's detected it, and we're good to go. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, as it really helps me out. Also follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/itakeeverything. And why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. And check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.